In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folder in Surveymonkey 2026, step by step. Folders are a simple way to keep your surveys neat, whether you're separating projects by client, campaign, or team. Let's walk through the exact clicks so you can create one quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and go to the Surveymonkey homepage. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. That's where the main navigation lives. If your sidebar looks minimized, hover over it or expand it so you can clearly see the labels. In that left-hand navigation, find the section labeled Folders. This is your central spot for organizing projects. Take a second to scan the area so you know where it is for next time. Keeping an eye on this panel will make organizing much faster. Right next to the word Folders, you'll see a small plus sign or a Create option. Go ahead and click that. This opens a quick prompt to set up your new folder. You'll see a field asking for a folder name. Type in something clear and descriptive. Think along the lines of Q2 customer feedback, event registrations, or internal research 2026. Good names make it easier to find things later, especially if multiple people use the account. You can usually rename a folder later if you change your mind, so don't overthink it, but avoid vague titles like My See or Stuff. After you've entered the name, click the Create button to save it. If you don't see Create right away, it may appear at the bottom of the prompt. You might need to scroll slightly depending on your screen size. The system will take a moment and then your new folder will appear under the Folders section in the left sidebar. That's your confirmation that everything worked. At this point, your folder is ready to use. You can come back to it anytime from the same Folders area on the left. As you continue working, you'll be able to organize your surveys by moving them into this folder, helping keep your workspace clean and your team aligned. That's all there is to it. Go to Surveymonkey, locate the folders area on the left, click the plus sign to add a new folder, type a clear name, and hit Create. Simple, quick, and a big help for staying organized. If you found this helpful, keep these steps handy the next time you start a new project so your surveys stay tidy from day one.